Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to my review of this knife. This is from CJRB, alright, which is the budget-friendly line related to artisan cutlery. Alright, here's a closer look at the knife. It is a large folding knife. The blade length on this is about 4.18 inches. Now I do see it has Dirk Pinkerton's logo on it, so I believe this was designed by him. He's designed a lot of knives for this brand and other brands. But to me, that is a winning blade shape. That is a winning blade shape, definitely. Beefy handle. I have large size hands and there's still ample room to spare. So even if you have extra large size hands, this would actually be perfect for you. Yeah, I feel like this would be an excellent, what they call a fixed blade replacement. In other words, if you're in a situation where you really wish that you could carry a mid-sized fixed blade, but for whatever weird reason or just convenience, if you find that you're carrying a folder that day, right? So knives like this, it's for when you really wish you could carry a fixed blade, but for whatever reason, you got to carry a folder. Definitely reminds me of a butcher knife, you know, slicing across and in to a target. It also has a little bit of self-defense application, I would say. Now the steel on this is AR RPM 9, and that is actually a powdered metallurgy version of one of the CRMOV type steels. And this did come with a nice case. It came with a polishing cloth, and it also has another pocket clip, right, for the other side. I open it with the thumb studs. If you want to flick it open, you can adjust the pivot screw. Right, it comes slightly tight, right, so I don't flick this open. But if you wanted to flick it open with your thumb, just loosen the pivot screw a little bit. I like to just open it that way. Alright, so initial sharpness. When I first got this, I did the old paper test. So let me roll that in right now. Nice. Yeah, this has a high degree of initial sharpness. There's a bit of a close-up of the edge for you, and you can also see the nice stonewash there too. And while we're here, let's get a weight, an official weight on this knife. We've got 172.4 grams. Let's change the unit. This is a very sharp knife. You can draw it down a piece of wood. So I hope you're all doing well these days. I like getting out here. Weather's getting a lot better. It's not as hot and humid, and the cold nights are killing a lot of the mosquitoes, which is a good thing. You can whittle to your heart's content with this knife. Alright, here it is on a strap. You gotta rescue somebody or perhaps just modify some gear. This goes right through. Okay, utility knife function. You need to break down some boxes. Got a piece of a box here. You forgot your utility knife, shame on you. You can just use your folder. I'm gonna make a notch on this piece of wood right here. We're coming off of yet more rain. A lot of rain recently here. It's very damp out here. Yeah, this can notch. This can easily notch. Alright, so there's our V-shaped notch. Now as far as the lockup on this, it is very secure. There is no front to back play. There is no side to side play. So it's got secure lockup. Here is the pocket clip in action. Seems to work okay. There is a close-up of that pocket clip. This could be utility or self-defense. It could be, I'd say it's more for the outdoors, but I guess it could be urban carry as well. But overall, I'm definitely glad that I got this. I feel it is a useful design, a winning blade shape, and I also like the large handle, just gives a better grip. Yeah, I could use this as a folding camp knife, for example. I have several knives from this brand, CJRB, and I have found that they are a very good budget brand. I think this is my 4th or 5th CJRB knife, and I also have some knives from related ARTISAN cutlery, and those are good too. So far, I'm really liking this brand, and I think this is my favorite so far of all of their knives. I think this is my favorite one. Would be my overall pick right now. So I will include some links under this video if you want to check if these are in stock and whatever the current price is. Maybe they'll be on sale or something like that. So check out those links. Those do help out the channel. I really appreciate those who use them. Okay, YouTube, I hope you enjoyed this knife review. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. This has been We All Juggle Knives. I'm out.